If you want to grow a thriving garden, you should probably till your soil before you plant. You can break up the earth with a shovel and a cultivator, which is a lot of work, or you can spare your back and purchase a rototiller, which uses rotating metal tines to cut into the ground, loosening the soil so vital nutrients can reach your plant's roots. Whether you're setting up a veggie garden or preparing for seasonal landscaping, a rototiller will make the job faster and easier. There are large, gas-powered models that can dig into hard soil and till large swaths of ground, as well as lightweight, handheld, battery-powered cultivators for weeding and mixing compost or fertilizer into existing garden beds. With so many types of rototillers to choose from, finding the right one can be a challenge. Luckily, I've tilled many a garden and can help you determine which rototiller is the best for you. Number 1. Mantis 7944 Cycle Plus Tiller. The Mantis 7940 is powerful and lightweight for a gas-powered rototiller. With a heavy-duty 25cc engine and 9-inch cultivating width, it's suitable for plowing patches of untilled earth, while still being nimble enough to cultivate and weed through narrow rows in your garden. It also digs deeper than most mini-tillers thanks to its 10-inch digging depth. At 24 pounds, it's easy to move the Mantis from shed to garden and you won't need to wrestle with it as you till. When you put it away, the handles fold down so you can store it in tight spots. It also has reversible tines, giving you distinct options for tilling, versus weeding and cultivating. Cushioned ergonomic handles keep your hands comfortable for longer jobs. Its deeper than average tilling depth, mid-sized cultivating width, powerful gas engine, and light overall weight make it a great all-around tiller whether you're plowing a new bed or cultivating an existing garden. Number 2. Has 2-in-1 Tiller Cultivator. If you need to till a garden that spans a large area, then consider the TAS 2-in-1 tiller. It comes equipped with a large 79cc engine that powers 4 large tines capable of raising a 21-inch wide swath of earth, driving 11 inches deep. That's far greater than other front-end tillers that typically give you about half that width and around 6 to 8 inches of cultivating depth. While it's made for large soil beds, it features some adjustability, spreading to 11, 16, or 21 inches wide and 4 different depths to suit the size garden you're cultivating. While the TAS gives you all the power you could ask for, it also demands a lot from you. Weighing in at more than 85 pounds, it's a bear to maneuver. Given its large size and weight, the TAS is best reserved for tilling medium-sized swaths of hard ground without too many living plants. You really want to minimize the number of times you have to move it. Number 3. Earthwise TC 70016 13.5 amp 16-inch electric rototiller. Going for a corded electric rototiller is often an easy way to save a little money if you have an outlet near an existing garden or landscaping element. The Earthwise TC 70016 offers more bang for your buck with a 13.5 amp motor that powers a broad 16-inch cultivating width and 8-inch depth. At 29 pounds, it's also light enough to move from storage shed or garage to work site and maneuver around tighter spaces. You can also remove the 2 outer tines, narrowing the cultivating width down to 11 inches. It also offers plenty of convenience-minded features, including push-button start, a cushioned handlebar that folds up for easy storage, and a large hood that protects you from thrown dirt and rocks while you till. So long as it can reach your garden, it's a solid, price-conscious choice. Number 4. Champion Power Equipment 22-inch 4-stroke. Champion has a reputation for making generators and outdoor yard equipment that offer tremendous bang for the buck, and this front tine rototiller is no exception. It comes equipped with a massive 212cc engine, one of the most powerful front tine tillers out there, yet it costs the same as machines with much smaller engines. That beefy engine makes it capable of chewing through unbroken ground to create new flower beds and vegetable gardens. It can dig to a max depth of 14 inches, ideal for creating deeper beds for plantings. It's versatile too. The Champion rototiller carves a wide 22-inch path for larger gardens and can also be narrowed down to 16 inches for smaller jobs. There are also tines that go in forward and reverse for easy maneuvering, though it still can be a challenge to move at 119 pounds. If you don't mind the weight, the Champion's power and broad tilling width make a great choice for those looking to break ground on a new garden or landscaping bed. Number 5. Earthquake Pioneer Rear Tine Tiller. Tilling through hard soil and dense turf requires the most powerful rear tine tiller you can find. We recommend the Earthquake Pioneer, which features a large 99cc engine that's capable of tearing up patches of dirt 17 inches wide and 9 inches deep. It also allows you to switch between two tilling modes, one for blasting through untilled earth and another for mixing tilled soil. There are also features that make it easier to maintain and use. Since it weighs a massive 160 pounds, we really appreciate that it features airless tires so you can wheel it around. Still, it isn't easy to maneuver in the ground, so make sure you use it in large soil beds without any living plants. This is professional grade gear and the price reflects that, but there's no better option if the soil needs a lot of work.